Hello and welcome back to this channel. Good evening to all of you. Hope you all are safe in home. So in this video, I will explain you the job openings. It's a very important information. This is a job requirements, and the important thing is you can apply directly to the company, and company will process for all the visa and all everything, and you can move Malta with a job without any expensive and without any wasting of time. So no need of agency and consultancy. You can directly apply to the company website. After you applying, your CV will be shortlisted. Then they will revert you back by mail for interview. After you getting interview, once you success, they will process everything, medicals, visa, everything. They will provide sponsor letter, so you can process in your country for visa and you can move Malta with a job. So this is a job in Malta, and the location is Malta, is a European country. Hope you all of know that. So today I will inform you what is the job openings from Green Supermarkets, which is in Malta. So let's move without any late. As you can see here, Green Supermarket vacancies, Malta, Europe. The below are the vacancies currently available at Green Supermarket. So I already told you there are huge job openings, various types of vacancies. Which job is suitable for you? You can apply directly to the company, and once company will select you, then you can attend the interview and you can get a job without any agent and consultancy. So as you can see here, this is the vacancies: bakery counters, virtual counter, cashier, part-time basis, cleaner, full-time, daily counter, fish counter, stackers, warehouse assistant, cashiers, cleaners. So guys, if you are really eligible for this job, if you have relevant experience, you can apply as soon as possible. And the important thing is, I already told you, you can apply directly to the company. There are no any middle person, no any agent, no any consultancy. So while previous experience will be considered an asset, training and the job will be provided to all selected applicants. To apply for a job, please send your application letter and CV via this official email. This is the official email IDs of Greens Supermarket Malta, not an agent mail ID or consultancy mail ID. So please keep in mind, if you are applying directly to the company, which is a very good things, and you can get a job without any money expense. So guys, another important thing is, please keep in mind and listen very carefully. When you send your CV to the Green Supermarkets company in Malta, first of all you need to keep in mind, you have to make a proper CV in Europass website. This website link I will give you in the descriptions. Your first step is, you have to visit to the Europass website. You have to register. You have to make your proper CV and make your cover letter. In that website, there are two options: one for CV, one for cover letter. So you can directly go to the website and you can make your CV and cover letter. And the important thing is, you have to send both cover letter and CV. This is very important. Please keep in mind. Otherwise, the employer or the Green Supermarket company will never accept your applications. So make your CV and cover letter and send to the official email ID. If you are available in Malta, you can directly send your applications to this address, which is in Malta. This is the HR department address, and you can apply by sending by the post in directly. And they are also providing contact numbers through which you can contact to the HR, and you can inform that I already have submitted my applications. Please look into forward for the job. So guys, this is very important information. I already provided in the descriptions. If you have any problem, you can directly go to the descriptions and collect these informations and read it again carefully. And if you have any doubt, still you can ask in the comment box. I will answer. I will try to give you the answer. So again, I would like to repeat you. I know I don't need any candidates should be in doubt. So I am repeating you. This is a job openings from Malta, and the company is Greens Supermarket. This is the mall which is in Malta. So you are applying directly to this company, and the applying process is you have to make your CV and cover letter through Europass website, and after you make your CV and cover letter, you can directly send to the email ID, which is the official email ID of Green Supermarket from Malta, and you can follow up them by this contact number. You can ask also in this contact number, and you can also directly send your applications by post if you are available in Malta. This is the address. So I'm giving you the proper address, proper contact number, proper email ID, so no need to be any doubt. Apply as soon as possible, and best of luck for you. I hope you will get a chance to get a job in Malta. So guys, also the same information is available in the descriptions. I already told you, collect this and read it carefully and share this information to your friends and relatives who are needy for a European job. So I hope there is no doubt. I already explained all things. And again, I would like to tell you, for making CV and cover letter, the link I will be provided in the descriptions. Don't worry for that. You can make your CV and send to the official email. I'm sure, believe me, if you will make your CV and cover letter by Europass website, which is the specific website to make CV for European jobs, and if you will send to this email ID, of course, you will get a reply. You have to wait. If you don't get any reply, you can apply again. No need to be any of doubt, and you can send again and again. Of course, I am sure you will get a reply one day. So be patient, be positive. Just make your CV and cover letter. I'm telling you again and again. Make your CV and cover letter properly and send to the official email ID. All information is with you. Make your goal very clear and apply again and again. Of course, you will fulfill your dream one day. So guys, many of candidates I have talked, they are telling their story. They are surviving many times. They are facing many types of failures. So don't think that you will apply one time and there will be no reply and you will be back out. Don't do that. Apply again and again. One day you will get a reply. Many of my subscribers telling, sir, we are applying but not any reply. Please keep in mind, you will get a reply. Be patient. Of course you will get a reply one day. So guys, I hope this information will be helpful for your careers. Once again, thank you for your valuable time, and in the next video I will give you the another informations about abroad job. After that, stay with me. Bye bye.